These videos were generated using Google View 3.1. In this video, I will show you how you can use Google View 3.1 for free and unlimited step by step. So let's get started. First of all, visit opal.google. This is an experimental tool by Google available in Google Labs. It helps you to generate mini apps using natural language. But today we are going to use this tool for Google View 3.1. Let me show you how you can use this tool to access Google View 3.1 for free and unlimited. First of all, click on Sign In. Then, using your Gmail account, sign in. On the following screen, it will ask for some permissions, so continue. Select all the permissions and continue. Click Confirm. You will land on the following page. Here, click Create New. Now, it says that let's build your app, but we are not going to build an app because we are using this tool for accessing Google View 3.1. Now click Generate. On the next screen, on the right side, make sure to select the step. Then, under Generate, you need to select an agent. Here, select View as an agent. Again, click Advanced Settings. Choose the model 3.1. Then you can select your desired ratio for the video. Let's choose 9:16 for the short video. Now you need to type in your prompt here. You can use any AI chat to generate a prompt. We will add a simple prompt such as a bear is eating the fish on the bank of river. Once done, click on the preview. In the preview tab, click on Start. It will take some time before generating the video. Now our video is ready. Let's preview it. The video looks fine. Now let's explore some other features. You can generate video from an image as well. To generate a video from image, click on User Input. Then rearrange this. Now you need to connect user input with generate. Now it has been connected. So it works as just flow. Now select user input. On the right side, select input type as image. Now click on generate. And here you can add a prompt such as animate this perfectly. Then go to preview. And here reset. Then click Start. Here you need to add your image. Then upload from device. And select the image. Now image has been selected. Then click Send. It will take some time before animating our image. Our video is ready. Let's preview it. This looks cool. Our image has been animated using Google View 3. So this tool is quite cool. You can use this visually or use some natural language to generate the image using Google View 3.1. Now let's download this video. To download, click three dots, then click Download. Our video is ready. So this is it. This is how you can access Google View 3.1 for free and unlimited. There is another method you can use to access Google View 3.1. We have already shared it via video. You can watch the following video available on our channel for the second method. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more